Hi guys, it's me again, and this is my 5th video today, which is now I have a channel, and first I'm gonna draw something really great today. So I'm gonna draw a gumball machine. So, you want to make a circle. Like this. Make a circle. Then, this coming. A straight line. Then here. Of course it looks like something else. So we put this there. This there. Then so the hard part. Okay, there we have it. It's a gumball machine, so let me add some gumballs. You can add how many gumballs you want, or you can put them right there. We're also gonna color this thing for a reason. Oh, I almost forgot. Gotta do this and add another thing on top. There, I almost forgot. Oopsies, guys. Just forget what just happened. This always happens to me. In our last time in our first video, this happened. Okay, so then here it is. There's the top. So I'm just gonna add my gumballs now. You can also add a gumball. You could also add a gumball right here, so it's like it's coming out. So, okay. Okay. So I think they could get balls. Well, I gotta tell you guys, I'm sorry I can't make the video right now. Actually, I am right now, which is, this video is gonna be the best video ever. I'm like almost done with my gumball machine. There, I'm done with my gumball. I think that's 100, I think. Now, let's start coloring. I'm gonna use my pen. Start coloring. First, I get my colors first, so don't get mixed up. Oopsies. Okay, let's start coloring, guys. We also need red for these parts. I'll take orange. Oh, I almost forgot one more detail, guys. Add this and this. And that's the Gumball machine that I gotta color it now. So pretty much I almost forgot about that. So well, I'm almost done. Just my marker's not working. My red one. Okay, let's put my red and orange away. Okay, let's start working on the gumballs. I have special markers and I'll color the background in.